Today I found a channel that is absolutely incredible. Why is it so amazing? Because every single video on the channel is based on Fusion-style content, and each video is only around 8 to 9 seconds long. Yet it consistently gets millions of views. Honestly, I was shocked. This type of content performs unbelievably well on TikTok because it instantly grabs attention and keeps people watching until the end. When we carefully study the channel, we notice something very interesting. The concept of the videos is almost always the same. The creator simply changes the characters in each upload, but the Fusion idea remains consistent. That means the strategy is simple, repeatable, and extremely effective. The best part? The creator is using a completely free method and still gaining thousands, even millions of views without spending money on expensive production. Right now, short-form AI content is growing faster than ever. People love superhero fusions, cinematic transformations, and visually satisfying edits. These videos are quick to watch, highly shareable, and perfect for viral platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I know everyone wants more views and followers, but most people think they need a huge budget, advanced editing skills, or expensive software. That's not true anymore. You can start creating viral Fusion videos using free AI tools and smart prompts. You don't need a professional team, just creativity and consistency. So don't worry if you have no budget. I'm here to show you a simple strategy that can help you create eye-catching Fusion videos, grow your audience, and potentially reach millions of views just like these viral channels. Now let's come to ChatGPT, but this time, you don't need to write any complicated prompts. Just open the GPT model called Hero Fusion Generator and click on Start Generator. Instantly, ChatGPT will show you multiple superhero fusion character ideas and ask which type of character you want to create. All you have to do is choose any number. For example, I selected number 8, and within seconds, it generated an amazing fusion concept along with professional AI prompts for me. The process is super simple, beginner-friendly, and extremely powerful for creating viral content. But here's the best part. If you want even more character ideas, you can simply type another number again and again, and the GPT will continue generating fresh fusion characters every time. It never gets boring because every fusion feels unique and cinematic. Not only does it generate character concepts, but it also provides both image prompts and video prompts. That means you can directly use those prompts in AI tools to create stunning visuals and transformation videos without spending hours thinking of ideas yourself. The image prompts help you create ultra-cinematic fusion artwork, while the video prompts are designed for smooth transformation scenes, dramatic effects, and viral short-form content perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. This makes the entire... Now, let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is, both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform. Then, paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything. Automatically, within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. This is a hidden opportunity that many people still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step. So follow along carefully, because this can truly change your content game. We're going to use a website called Google Vids. I'll provide the link in the description. This website is honestly amazing, especially for creating cinematic AI content like Hero Fusion videos. It's not just for making videos. You can also use it for social media content, educational projects, presentations, book reading, and much more. And the best part? It's completely free. No credits, no payments, no hidden costs. All you have to do is sign in using your Google account. Just click on the sign in button, log in with your Google ID, and you're ready to go. Now here's how to create your Hero Fusion video. Go to the right side and select VO3. Then click on Animated Images. After that, copy the Hero Fusion prompt we generated earlier and paste it into the prompt box. Now upload your Fusion image and click on Generate. That's it. The best part is the speed. From my experience, it usually takes less than 1 minute to generate the video. And the results, honestly, you need to see them yourself. The Fusion effects, cinematic motion, lighting, and transformation scenes look incredibly impressive, especially for superhero fusion content. It honestly feels like a premium AI tool, even though it's completely free. I tested it again and again, using different Hero Fusion characters, and every single time the results looked amazing. No credits used. No limit stopping me. Just copy the prompt, paste it, upload your image, and hit generate. Super simple. Sometimes you might get a small error, but don't worry, that's completely normal. If it happens, just refresh the page or switch your Google account and try again. It usually starts working perfectly after that. And here's what really surprised me. The video follows your Hero Fusion prompt and image style very accurately. That means better transformations, better storytelling, and more cinematic superhero content. I was honestly shocked when I saw the results. For a free AI video tool, the quality is next level. So I tested it one more time, just to check its limits. And again, the result was incredible. At this point, you have everything. A powerful Hero Fusion prompt, free AI image generation, and now, free AI video creation. So there's really no excuse left. Start creating, stay consistent, and your next Hero Fusion video could be the one that goes viral.